Dear viewers, you are my greatest inspiration. You have supported me all these years. Your kind words of appreciation motivate me to keep making more videos. Sun's path around the Earth should mean the Sun's apparent path, because we all know, Sun doesn't revolve around the Earth. Please note that illustrations are not to scale, and certain illustrations have been exaggerated for the purpose of comprehensible clarification. As we all know, Earth's axis of rotation is tilted relative to the orbital plane. In addition to the first and second motion, rotation and revolution, this oblique axis spins around in a circular precession. Like this. It's a rather sluggish wobble. Please observe that the points of intersection are not static.
Okay, well, hang on a sec. Yeah.
Let's visualize the geometry of the equinoctial precession with some cool illustrations. Earth's axial tilt generates equinoctial points. As the Sun travels 360 degrees with respect to the vernal equinox, by that time the equinox point has drifted westward. And what is the consequence of that? It shortens the Sun's travel to less than a full 360 degrees, as a result making it shorter than the sidereal year. Now, imagine a situation where there is no precession of the equinoxes. What would happen? Tropical year and sidereal year would be identical.
Please remember to like, subscribe, share.